Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me in the master bedroom, and I'm going to be giving it major fall vibes. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it.
I try to understand, I try to hold your hand, but I don't think I came through. It's just a state of mind, this love is so unkind.
First thing I'm doing is just clearing off our nightstands. I always just like to clear them off and wipe them down really good. I'm using the multi-surface spray from Love Home Planet. You can get it from Target for a couple of bucks. It's really good and it smells really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe all the dressers and stuff down.
Hard to handle, but don't you say you're sorry, 'cause I like the way you do it, baby. But let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. But let's be honest about it, there's a way around it. I like the way you. No matter how I try, I'll never say goodbye. I know it's not a crime. Oh.
And the tray that I put in the middle of the table is glass, so I just went to grab my glass spray the spray way. I'm telling you, I know I say it in every video, but if you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. It is literally the best glass cleaner that I've ever used. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean off this little fireplace. It's definitely time for it to be clean. It's really dusty, and yeah, this spray, it actually has a lemon fragrance to it, and it smells so good. I love the lemon and the lavender fragrance.
There's a way around it. I like the way you do it, baby. But let's be honest about it.
So now I'm just taking all of the pillows that we were using previously, and I'm gonna put those in storage. I did buy a few things from Home Goods just because I really wanted to incorporate that plum color. I absolutely love using the plum shade during the fall season. I think it's just so appropriate and it looks really good. So yeah, I just picked up a few little knickknacks. So if you guys are looking for some new things to kind of spruce your home up for fall, then I definitely recommend you guys go check out Home Goods. So earlier that day, I washed the sheets. I like to do this at least once a week. So the sheets that we're using are by Carrie Loha, and we've been using them for probably about 6 weeks or so, and they have been really durable, high quality. I'm really picky whenever it comes to my sheets because I know I'm going to be washing them a lot, so I need something that is going to last and that's definitely just going to be worth it. So one thing that I really love about these sheets is that they have really deep pockets, so they're gonna really snug onto your mattress, and if you have like a pillow top mattress, it'll easily fit that. And the sheets are really soft, and they're actually designed to keep you cooler. I don't know about you guys, but I get really hot when I'm sleeping, so I love that these sheets do keep you 3 degrees cooler. They also come in 6 different colors, but I actually just prefer white sheets. There's something about a crisp, clean white sheet, but if you do like different colors, they have different options. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will have a link below. I actually found them on Amazon, and they have really great reviews, so definitely check that out. And then I will have a discount code below if you guys want to get them from the actual website. So yeah, be sure to check them out.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation.
And if you guys are interested in any of the other bedding, I will have it linked below. So the gray quilt I got from Home Goods, the purple one I ordered from Amazon.
I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me
Home Goods, and I was kind of second guessing them, so I left the tag on them, but I wasn't really sure that I was feeling them, so you guys will see that I'll end up changing them later on anyway. So I just decided to go back and get the white fluffy pillows and see if that kind of changed my mind about how I felt about the pillow, but it really did.
What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
I really need to get some new pictures printed off. I want to get some of Uriah framed so I can put them in the room, and I just need some new picture frames in general because those are really old. So I'm going to go ahead and add this beautiful flower arrangement to the top of this dresser. It's also from Home Goods.
I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love.
I went ahead and spruced this area up with a few plum color accessories, and again, everything is from Home Goods. So yeah, like I told you guys, I just wasn't feeling the pillows. I don't know, just really wasn't my style. So I went to the storage room and found some gray pillows that I thought would just look a little bit better and just be a little bit more unisex. So yeah, I added those, and I noticed that this rug had stains on it. I'm guessing Piglet put these stains there just from being outside and then rolling all over the rug or whatever. So I sprayed a little bit of Awesome spray on it, and then I went over it with this Bissell Crosswave. It's actually really good. It does carpet and it also does your hardwood. So yeah, it's pretty good, but I do think I'm gonna have to clean this rug a few times to get it clean.
I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God.
And then I decided to add this cream color fuzzy throw to the bed just to kind of pull the entire bed together and just to go with the big fuzzy pillows. And that's pretty much everything. I decided to go ahead and add some of my fall candles. So I wanted to light them in the room just to give it that really nice fall fragrance. So yeah, I did pick these up at Bath & Body Works when they were on sale. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it gave you some inspiration to spruce your bedroom or your home up for the fall season. If you enjoyed it, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions about anything that I mentioned in the video, then check the description box or leave a comment below, and I will try my best to get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will talk to you all next time. Bye.
Down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love too deep, you know you lie.